Hello, welcome to this video. In the last video, we had a review about the new keyword and what happens if we forget to add in the new keyword before the function. In this video, we shall talk about the class keyword. Class is just a syntactic sugar. Syntactic sugar is any aspect of the syntax of programming language that makes programs easier to read, write, and understand. I won't be creating a new file to write in the class functionality program. I'll be using this file and will change the existing code from this to the class-based approach. You see this approach over here is exactly the same with the class-based approach as well. All we are doing is we are making the syntax look much cleaner and we are making it easier to write and read by adding the class-based approach, by going with the class-based approach. By adding in the class keyword, we need not write user.prototype anymore. We need not write user.prototype anymore, and this can be shortened to increment, and this can be shortened to decrement. Okay, now we declared function users with parameters name and items. With the introduction of class, we need not write function users. This is replaced with constructor. And for this approach to work and for these squiggly lines to go, we need to add class keyword. Class with the name of the file, with the name of the class users, and enclose all these inside of a curly brace. Okay, that's it. This is the refactor done from the existing code to the class-based approach. Now let us run the code and see what's happening. Let me change this to capital U. Okay. When I run this code, I get an object with name items with the key value pair of John Doe and items to be 3. Now you might be wondering what happened to the prototype object. Now where are these methods being stored? Whenever you declare a class and these are no longer called functions, inside of the class these are called as methods. You might be wondering where did the prototype object go and how and where are these methods being resided in. Let us see inside of this, and let us go inside of the dunder proto dunder hidden property, and inside of that we have this constructor function, sorry, and inside of the constructor function we have this prototype. This prototype initially is an empty object, and inside of this we are adding in the increment and decrement methods. Constructor function is the first thing that is going to be executed whenever we call the users function. We are done refactoring our code to the class-based approach, and in the next video we shall see the subclassing of classes. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.